It is garden planting day, the day after Mother's Day, so May 11th, 2026. Dan had the early garden planted already. We have potatoes, I think, red ones on the end there, and then more Eva. Onions are up, and now we're planting. Yeah, we've got way too much help here. Now, you can see those peppers, these peppers and these tomatoes, they sort of survived the cold. So those two are Mad Hatter. This one is a big red. The next four will be big red, and then King Arthur, and then the sweet rainbow mix. And that's the first row. Okay, next to the two larger like salad tomatoes that were planted earlier, I was really excited to get Campari tomatoes this year from Schwartz's greenhouse. So 8 plants that will go in this row after the first 2 rows of peppers. After that row of tomatoes, we're going to replant the sweet corn here, the Serendipity sweet corn. Till that up, replant it. Next to them is a row of jade green beans, and then next to that will be peppers. This will be the jumbo jalapenos and the sweet banana peppers. The garden is filling up. Next to the row of giant jalapenos and banana peppers, sweet banana peppers, next we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yum yums. Those are really small sweet peppers, and then 4 lunchbox mix. Those are a little bit bigger. Ruby Delights, pretty much the same size, and then we have a pimento on the end. Okay, next to the double row of peppers here to the east, we have 12 paste tomatoes, and they're all Mariana. Okay, our last row of tomatoes, last 12, 8 Celebrity, and this is a new one we haven't tried before. This is called Ruby Prize. And garden is filling up. We have some room for the sweet corn on the end here. Skipping a row so we don't have any 2 rows of tomatoes right next to each other. All by itself over here by the asparagus sunflower patch gas tank is 1 cherry tomato, golden nugget. Haven't tried this kind before, but it already has a few little fruits on it. Thursday afternoon, May 14th, 2026. Stan used the new little Ego push mower to get a bunch of grass clippings to put around the peppers and the tomatoes, and we decided the corn really wasn't a complete loss. I think he transplanted some, so we will have a good maybe 5 rows of sweet corn instead of only 3. And they're calling for very warm weather starting this weekend, like we're talking 80s, so everything should perk up. As you see, the cousins haven't planted the field yet behind there. Some people were planting last night, so we'll see. So these 2 bushes, when I planted them last year, they never bloomed, or bloomed very late in the season. Did not know they were perennials or biennials, not sure. They turned into bushes, so I don't need to worry about planting as many flowers here this year. Basically just some pretty snapdragons. I do love snapdragons.